What's going on, you guys? Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing video of the Amazon Basics 6-foot lightning charger. Now this is so you basically, of course, since it's Amazon Basics, you can get this on Amazon, and you get two 6-foot charging cables. And you know, lots of people have issues with if they buy cheap chargers, they don't work. Well, it makes sense, but there's actually a really good explanation for it. Not all chargers are certified, like as you can see, like right here, MFI certified. If it has this made for iPod, iPhone, iPad, if it has this on it, then it's certified and it should work. And if it has issues, you should be able to return it without an issue. So it's 6 feet long, so you get a nice long charger, because there's nothing more annoying when trying to use your phone when it's plugged in and you can't go more than like 2 feet away from where it's plugged in, not even that. But yeah, of course you can go ahead and get this on Amazon like I already said. But yep, we're just gonna be doing an unboxing, seeing what comes inside. I mean, it's pretty basic. Ha, that was funny. You better give that video a like. That was a horrible pun, actually. Okay, so unboxing it, here we go. So, is there anything else in here? Does not look like it. So, here is, okay, so you get this right here, and then I think, yep, and then you can see here it says Amazon Basics. That will have that on the charger. And there you go, you have it like that. And then you have 2 of them. It doesn't come with an adapter, but that's really fine. So, yeah, guys, that is the Amazon Basics 2-pack of 6-foot chargers unboxing. Make sure, if you want a really good charger, make sure it has this made for iPhone, iPod, iPad sticker. Or not sticker, but you know what I mean. Well, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you next video.